Hi guys, welcome back to our channel First Code TV. So guys, I'm with some pretty fine odd chick here and we're here to gist to you guys. But before we get right into the old talk, I'm going to allow her introduce herself.
Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Emma. I'm a chef and I am also a writer. And before we start today's topic, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thank you.
Thank you. So guys, this topic we want to talk about is something that I'm sure the men will love it, you know.
Course.
And the topic is what do women
want?
What do ladies, what do women want?
I really don't know.
Do you know what you want?
I know what I want. Yes, I do know what I want, but I don't think most women know what they want.
Okay, so I think I really do know what I wanted at first.
Yeah.
I'm not talking in all area. I'm talking in regards of maybe a man, what I wanted. Yes, I wasn't so sure. Yes. It used to just be a God-fearing,
normal, tall,
dark, and handsome. Anyway, so it used to be just that. Like, I wasn't really sure of the in total,
yes,
you know.
Yes.
You know, until
I don't think that most women are really sure of the in total, because everybody wants tall, dark, handsome, but there's more to tall, dark, and handsome. You need more. Like, is he understanding? Is he caring? Is he financially stable? Because money too money na issue.
So guys, please, what do women want? Please leave it in the comment section. What do we want as women? What do we really want? Are we looking for money, love, affection, sex?
Yes, some women do want sex.
What do we really want, you know? So I'm going to speak from a man's point of view.
Okay. Men
are always certain, like they are certain of what they want.
Yeah.
Like when they see a chick, except the man is not ready to settle.
Yes.
When they see a chick, they know what they want. Like, okay,
sure, I
want a woman that can cook, clean, pray with me, support my vision.
I feel women want the same thing as a man would. A partner that would understand them, someone that would care for them, love them unconditionally, and all that. But then there are some women who actually want a specific thing.
Okay, let me cut you.
All right.
So I feel like what men and what women want are totally different.
Really?
Like a man could still have a badass chick in the house and still cheat. Yeah,
men cheat. That's
but a woman, when she has a badass man in the house, she gives her all.
She gives 100.
So that's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
yes.
What those two people, man, women want, they're like two different things.
I think it's a matter of perspective. Okay. Because if we're looking at the basics, they both want the same thing. But if we're going to pick it out, pinpoint all those, all those, everything is going to be different. Because some women want sex, some want money, some want things that some are materialistic. So it's just a matter of individuality, I think. That's what I feel.
Okay, do you think like your want, there's a difference between wants and needs?
Definitely. Yes.
Okay. What do you feel like a woman should want? Like, what do you, like a single girl now?
Yes.
You're not married yet.
Yes.
I know what I want now.
Yes.
But as a single girl, what do you need? Do you think it's important for you to go for your want or your need?
You
see, she doesn't even know what she wants or what she needs.
That's a hard one.
Like, I don't know what's wrong with single girls. Like, I don't know. Like, see her. She's breathing hard. Just a guy.
And what we need, well, what I need personally is
what kind of man do you need?
What kind of man I need? I need it tall, dark, and handsome. Definitely. Who wants to be with an ugly person?
Can you imagine? You want fine babies.
Of course, now we have to make beautiful babies.
So let's scrap that.
Apart from that,
really, you're going to spend the rest of your life with this person.
If I'm willing to spend the rest of my life with you, it means you have to be understanding, be caring. You have to respect my needs. You have to be your own self too. Don't just be all about me and forget yourself. Let's be a team. That's what I need. I need someone that will be my partner. A team player. Let's work towards achieving this. Let's work towards achieving that. Let's, you know, grow together, because we grow every day. And if I make mistakes, I need you to be able to be 100 with me. Tell me that, yeah.
I feel like, firstly, we need to differentiate between want and need.
Yes.
To me, like, I'm not a relationship expert or anything, but in my own little understanding, I feel want is something you can just do away with.
Yes,
you can say I want a man that is tall, dark, and handsome.
But you can settle for a man that is not dark and handsome.
Thank you. Then your need, like, I need a man who can buy into my dream.
Yes.
You don't negotiate that.
Yes.
I need a man who would love and accept my family. You do not negotiate those kind of things.
True.
And you know, the annoying thing is that most ladies or women or girls are quick to just settle for less.
Wants. I think they're quick to settle for
the wants.
Instead of their needs. Because you can do without your wants. I don't think you can do without your needs.
Thank you.
You need your family. You need love. You need God. You can want a car. You can want a new shoe.
Yeah.
You know, all those things you can do
without. So I feel like, as a single lady, advising her also, because she's still struggling with what she needs. So I feel, firstly, as a lady, I would say, I've done in a subsequent video, you know, but I'm going to say what some of the things that helped me. It started with me, you know, knowing what I wanted at first. Talking to God first. I'm not trying to go all spiritual on anybody. And there are some people who don't believe in God, but it's fine. Or who are not Christians per se. But talking to God about it, then getting a clear insight of what I wanted. Okay, so then, firstly, I decided, okay, what do I really need for marriage? I'm not even talking about just like, what do I need? I wasn't even thinking of relationship at that point, because I knew I didn't want to date anybody for 5 years. Be Lord of the Ring. So I was like, okay, what do I really need? So I started by, okay, I wanted a man who would love me, obviously.
Definitely.
Love my family because of my family background and all some things. A man who would understand me, because I can be a handful.
So can I.
A man who would understand me. A man who would be ready to buy in my vision as a makeup artist and an hairstylist. Someone who would be ready to invest in me and not say,
support your dreams.
Thank you. You know, so when I think this is like just a guideline. You know, so if you're thinking of, okay, what do I want? This, I don't know what your situation or whatever it is you need. But when you sit down and think, okay, you're a chef, as you said, do you want a man that can understand that you cook, and you might be busy sometimes and not even be able to cook for him? Do you understand?
And I'm a chef.
You know, and you might be busy. You don't have his time. And does he understand that, oh, she's busy cooking for someone else to get money because it's what you love doing? So those are the things, as in, you should know you should know what you need before you even start jumping into a relationship. Because if you go into a relationship without knowing what you need, it might not even work out. But when you already know what you need, and the man comes and you guys are just talking as friends, you can just tell him, okay, you guys, then it's not a do or die affair. I want this, I want that, this is what I need, this is what I feel like I need, this is what I feel like to make it work. And then you'll be surprised that when it just tallies. You know my husband now. You know my husband. So imagine him. Now I'm going to jump into what men think women want. Some men feel what we want is just sex
and money,
affection.
Do they really think we want
I'm
affection?
Sure, yes, I'm sure.
I don't think some men know how to think that we actually want affection.
No, some do, but and that's why there are men that buy roses now. She were talking the other day. Okay, now I don't need anybody that will buy me roses. I was telling you that
roses.
I don't need roses. I was telling you, you like flower, no man. I was telling you that you told me rose. What did you
stem is about 3K, 2K.
2,000. Give me, let me use that and cook or soup or something. So me, I don't need roses. You get? But some men, to them, that is what women want.
True.
Roses, bags, shoes, for me, I'm very career driven. Yes. So if you come to me and your money, you're just buying me bag shoes, and you're not even asking me, and you're seeing me and you're not telling me, babe, you're not doing anything. How can I support that vision? You know, so it goes beyond the like the material needs, you know, right?
Yes. About me, I think, okay, fine. If you buy me a stem of rose, okay, fine. That's cute. That's nice. But like, if we're going to spend about 100K on a bouquet of flowers, I'd rather you just give me the money. Let me put it into something that, you know, would actually give me purpose, that will also, oh yes, he supported my dreams, he supported my needs, you know, he didn't just not know what I want. Because now I think that flower thing is about individuality. You should know your woman. You should know if you buy her this, we should appreciate it.
No, but you know, when a guy meets a chick normal, what are they trying to do?
They're trying to
woo you obviously. So they're not even thinking of what you need at that point. They're thinking of what you want. Give her flower, take her to the best restaurant. They're not even thinking of your aspiration or your goals at that time.
I feel some women need a father figure, someone they can confide in, someone they can talk to, someone they can look up to, someone they can share their goals and dreams with, you know, grow with. That's what me personally need, because if you can't support my dreams and my spirituality, and then at the same time, it's difficult, because as single ladies, you're sure you want this, you want that, you want that, and then you finally get what you want, and you decide, you understand that, oh, there's more. I need more than this. I need more than what I want.
So like I want to say something. What about a lady that a man gives everything? So as I was saying, the story making rounds about a married woman who has been married for quite some years, and they were going to travel out, and the husband went to do DNA test and found out that all 3 kids doesn't belong to him.
All 3?
All 3 kids, like all 3 kids. And the man beat her up and all that. So like, that is
making the one with the tits.
I don't. Yes, that's broken teeth. No, I'm not sure of the story, but even if that is not the case of, I mean, whatever.
Let me tell you, I know of someone I went to school with. This girl had a guy that would do anything for her, and he actually did. But still, she had that town. She was still in town doing all kinds of things, going around with different kinds of guys that were not even up to his level, really. And for me, I didn't understand that, because why
would a woman still cheat
if you have everything you need? Why are you still? What are you still looking for? What do you define?
Like, like, why would a woman still cheat? Why would a woman nag unnecessarily? I'm not just saying single girls. I'm saying even married women.
Yeah, because
why would a woman want to frustrate her husband? Man, as in, I feel like this topic, if we continue talking, we're not going to end.
Because now we're just saying it from the women's perspective. I think
if you bring guys to see that now, you hear
so don't say we are the problem.
I don't know. Probably we should wrap it up here. But I think I'm going to end this saying that women really don't know what they want.
We really don't.
Even sometimes in your house, you know, you are complaining to your husband and you're saying, you say, okay, what do you want? You go say, I don't know. You first say,
after complaining,
maybe, or he asks you, okay, so what do you want? I'm like, I really don't know, but I just feel like you're not giving me the attention I need. You know? You're not there for me. So what do you want me to do? But you're a man. If you ask a man, okay, so if a man complains that the house is unkept, so, and you ask him, so what do you want me to do? The man will tell you, just try tidy the house, you know. So I feel like women,
I think it's because maybe we're emotional. We're too emotional. We have all these built up emotions, stored up emotions. Some have daddy issues, some have this issues, that issues. So it's a lot of factors too affecting your wants and needs. It's not just about the basic things or what society think you should actually want or need. I think it's also about individuality. So,
wow, guys, I feel like we could go on and on about this. But guys, if you don't share in our perspective, or you feel you have something more to add, please leave it in the comment section.
Yes, please.
You know, because like I feel women, we are such a handful, and men,
I am a handful. If you're going to follow me at Emma Edger, I'm a handful. You should know that.
So guys, even me too, Life of Cessa on Instagram, but I'm, you know, you guys have seen you've seen our videos now. I did try at least. I'm better than her.
Yeah, yes, I'm so hot. Naija is too hot for
like when we were sweating right now.
You do this all the time,
right?
Yes.
That's why you guys should comment, subscribe, and help this ministry to move to the permanent side.
Please.
Because like the light and everything, this place is burning hot, but we're still, you know.
Yes, Naija hot too. I'm not gonna lie, it's hot.
Like she's sweating so bad.
Well, I've cut like 10 times. You won't know that.
Anyway, guys, thank you. We've come to the end of this episode on what women want. You know?
And yes, you can follow First Code Media on all social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. That's share, and tell the world.
Yes, about us. And if you want more videos like this, if you want us to bring more, you know, people like this, please let us know. We'll do that. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.
Bye.